Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook accounts. So let's get started. First you have to open your apps library, and here in the apps library you have to click on the Facebook app. Once you have opened your Facebook app, here you have to click on the profile icon at the top. Now scroll down and go to the options settings and privacy. Here you have to click on the settings option. Here you have to click on the update your personal information option. Now here at this interface you have to click on the access and control option. Then at this interface you have to click on the deactivation and deletion option. Once you click on this option, now here you have to select on the deactivate account and continue to deactivate. After that, here you have to again click on the continue button. Now once you click on the continue button, here they will ask you to enter your password to continue. After entering your password, here you have to click on the top option. After that, here at this interface you have to select the days to reactivate your account, and once you select the days, here you have to click on the continue button. Now by again clicking on the continue button, your account will be deactivated. So that's how you can deactivate your Facebook account.